Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this Viotiin Wagon support bar. So I do want to thank Viotiin for actually gifting this to me. So this is going to become particularly useful for kids who sit in your wagon. So what we have here is a support bar that could actually go in front of them for them to hold on. So you can see here that the edges of your wagon are going to fit here so that it clamps on. And it also acts as a hanger. So what you have here is an actual hanger where you can hang bags and stuff. So it simply just works like that, where it's a three-piece handlebar. It just fits in like that. And then the opposite end acts the same way, where it just attaches to the edge of the wagon like this. And then you could also act this as a hanger as well. But overall, I'd say this is pretty useful for families, kids, for those who have kids in their wagon and want to give them a support bar. Definitely check this out. I can definitely see it working. Now, I've had no problems with this whatsoever.